Introducing the 2025 lineup of Harley-Davidson powered by Rockford Fosgate Stage III speakers. These speakers were designed by riders for riders and are purpose-built for the 2025 street and road glide models. So let's dive in and take a closer look. New this year are the 6.5-inch fairing speakers and 6x9 saddlebag speakers. Both of these are designed with a 3-way bridge-mounted system to deliver next-level performance, and they both offer an impressive 250 watts per speaker. Additionally, we've introduced some design updates, including hot rod red trim rings and matching red badging on the grills. We meticulously measured rider positioning, engineering all the speakers to be directly pointed at you. This ensures that the music is heard over the wind, road, and exhaust noise. Additionally, they are designed to be element ready, performing flawlessly regardless of the weather conditions. So water, dust, and dirt won't be an issue. Now, we also offer Stage III in complete audio kits. These are comprised of the 6.5-inch fairing speakers, the 6x9 saddlebag speakers, the 500-watt primary amplifier, and the saddlebag installation kit. And all of this comes in a single box. The bottom line is you want to hear your audio over your motorcycle. The road noise, the exhaust, even while wearing a helmet. And the Stage III audio systems will deliver that audio performance you've always wanted.